Nessuno può sfuggire al destino scelto. Puoi cantare canzoni di tristezza in un mondo senza tempo.
Some places, they don't just exist on a map. They exist in the moment you live, in the stories you take back home. This is Italy and this is our story.
What do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel like
We started in Florence, a city frozen in time, where every street, every corner feels like a stepping into a masterpiece. The sun painted the rooftop gold as the city woke up, and for a moment we just stood there, taking it all in.
these days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. Let's let the good times roll.
Pisa was a quick stop, just a tower that refused to stand straight, just another tourist photo. But somehow, standing there, in that moment, it felt different. Maybe it's not about what you see, maybe it's about how you see it.
My heart's on fire, coming down to the wire. While the world sleeps, we'll keep burning brighter and brighter. Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go. Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul.
And then, there was this, Cinque Terre, felt like the edge of the world. We're mounted mid the sea, and the life moves a little slower. For once, we didn't check the time, we just existed.
Me and you, nothing to do. These days they come and go.
Then, we reached Rome, the eternal city. Walking through the Colosseum, standing where the history was made, it felt surreal. The city was busy, chaotic, full of life, and we loved every second of it.